Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing okay. Alert, this Friday is part 2 of the 3-part series of my training, the movement portion. Some of you may know that last year I did a 6.5-hour workshop on muscle as it relates to energy, symptoms, and injuries. That coincided with the relationship Zoom, the nourishment Zoom, the mental health one. That ties in all the other ones. Those other workshops are more around the hows and whys, with principles and concepts at the starting point of where you're going to come from to decide to guide your intention behind something. These next 3, I've already done 1, but these 3 of the movements themselves are the whats. They're the colors that I paint with clinically. They're the colors that I paint with personally in my own life. So if somebody were to work with me or train with me, or it doesn't matter what their symptoms are or where we're going, these are the whats that we'll pick, and they're what I use in my life. This second part coming up this Friday, the first part was upper body movements and calf jumps and spinal hygiene. So it was upper body patterns. It was crawl, press, plank, bridge, and hang and climb. And so this one Friday is going to be part 2. It is calf jump, spinal hygiene again. We'll go over that every single time. And then it's the single leg standing balance pattern and all the variations of colors I paint with in that pattern. The lunge stride pattern and all the colors I paint with there. And the lift and carry pattern. And then also I'm throwing on the glute ham pattern, which the only downside to that is it requires a piece of equipment that you can just make at home or find at home. So I will be going there. So this is going to be a little thicker. There's 4 patterns. I think there's 80 something moves. I got to do them all. Again, this is not a deep, detailed discussion of why you would do this and thoughts and beliefs and how to reprogram and symptoms. This is literally just, this is the move. This is what it's called, or what I call it. This is how I execute it next. And so if that seems like it's something that you are attracted to, go ahead and email me, info@TommyJohnIII.com. And it's this Friday. Don't worry if you can't make the live at 2:30 my time Pacific. There'll be a 21-day replay for anybody who attends the live, and then also before it goes to the main library workshop list, which this will be the 14th one, and something that I've released recently. I haven't really done a public post about it yet, other than just kind of this stuff, is an annual membership program to gain access to all of my workshops. Since there's going to be about 4 or more a year, this library is going to continue to build. It's for people that want to continue education, who have done a day 1 visit with me. People that don't want to do necessarily a one-on-one, but they want to go into these topics and try to pull the information on their own. That's fine. And so there's just varying topics. Again, as I've said, there's 2 parts to update on my book. There's hands, there's feet, there's calf jump, spinal hygiene, there's hanging, there's nourishment, there's mental health, there's living, processing parents that are ill, doing the tough stuff, there's relationships, there's hormones, there's menopause, andropause, and then there was muscle. And then now this recent last one I did was part 1 of training, my training. This is part 2 on Friday. If any of this sounds like it's attractive, let me know and just email me, converse with me, communicate with me. It's me returning the emails. There's a reason for that. The decision to even send an email is a decision that will ripple through areas of your life, because I've literally had people reach out. They're like, I've been sitting here wanting to send an email for years, and just now it just made sense, and I just feel called. And so whether they start up or not, or whether they go ahead with the information or not, doesn't matter. The decision that you acted upon, that right there, will ripple through and will have compounding effects. And I say that because it's not about any one thing. It's all of it. It all brings together. And so again, what's exciting about this new annual membership program is it gives people longer time with the workshops. It gives discounts on future workshops, because the information is just so thick. There's so much, and you change so often, especially as you start to deliberately create changes in your life, that when you revisit the information and apply, you change even more, and you change even more. So to have access to this information for a year at a time, plus to gain access to future ones in a discount fashion, where some of the discounts are complimentary. So there are some people that have taken advantage of that, and they're excited about that, and it's exactly what I had intended it to be. It feels good from all ends. So this Friday, my training, part 2, the movements, calf jump spinal hygiene, full, and the lower body patterns being single leg balance moves, all the movements I do there in that pattern, lunge and stride, all the movements I do in that pattern, carry lift, all the movements I do with that pattern, and the glute ham movement pattern as well, and all the movements that I do there. So looking forward to seeing everybody who's interested, and it feels like a fit. Other than that, have a great Wednesday, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon.